Hey everyone, my name is Thanksgiving!
Alright, so everything is ready for the Thanksgiving dinner tonight. We got the turkey in the refrigerator, and I think everything is good. We got all the drinks ready and all the other stuff.
Yes, Mario, this will be the best Thanksgiving ever.
Alright, so Toad and Yoshi and Boozer, can you go get the turkey out of the refrigerator in the garage?
I think the turkey is in here.
Oh, there it is! We're gonna have to work together to get this thing out.
Nah, guys, I'm a big boy and I can lift this with one hand!
Oh, Boozer, that's not a good idea! My fault!
Mooser, are you okay? Alright, guys, let's take this to the backyard!
Good idea!
Alright, Toad, I got the turkey, so you need to go get me some scissors so I can open it.
Yes, I need the scissors. Yes, the scissors. Everybody catch! That's all the scissors! No. Guys, get down! I do not know, let's check it outside. Oh! Why is the turkey exploding? Oh!
Mario, why is the turkey even outside?
I don't know, let's go see. Guys, are you guys okay? Oh God, what happened? Yeah! We destroyed that turkey, like boom!
Yeah.
What the heck? Why would you destroy our turkey?
Because it was radical.
Why would you even do it? Now we don't have a turkey. We need a turkey by the end of the day so we can have our Thanksgiving dinner and all of our families coming over. So how are we supposed to get a Thanksgiving dinner?
Mario, why don't they just go to the store and get us a new one?
That is a good idea. Well, you three, go to Target or something and get us a new turkey right now.
Well, I'm the Three Kings member, so I'm gonna go wake up the Three Kings and we're gonna play some GTA.
No, you are going to the store.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes. No. Now you two are going to the store, right? Yes, the store! I'm gonna get so many toys!
No, Toad, we're just gonna get a turkey and that is it.
Yeah, you guys go, right now, go. Do you know where Koopa is? I haven't seen him at all today.
Oh, I think they're in the kitchen with Mans and Toadette.
Oh, okay, well, hopefully they get us a new turkey. Alright, let's go back inside, it's getting cold out here.
Alright, Toad, we're going into Target, so just be calm. I'm just gonna get a few things.
Okay!
Alright, I need a shopping.
I wanna see it.
Okay, fine. Alright, Toad, we have to go get the turkey, so just follow me.
This Peppa Pig toy looks pretty cool.
We're not here to get toys.
Fine.
Alright, we need to get some Kool-Aid.
Alright, look, I found me.
Yeah, that's nice. Just put it back. Okay, let's get some Kool-Aid.
Yes, You're making a big mess.
Hey!
Alright, let's go. Alright, I think we're almost at the turkey section.
Oh, yeah.
What happened to all the turkeys?
Maybe they ran out.
What are we gonna do? It's your fault that we're not gonna have turkey this Thanksgiving because you exploded it for no reason.
That was Bowser's idea.
What are we gonna do?
Look, Lunchables. They have turkey in them. Why don't we get some of those?
Mario's gonna get really mad when he finds out we don't have an actual turkey.
Bro, it's Thanksgiving Day at Target. They're not gonna have turkeys at Target.
I guess you're right. Let's just go get some.
Alright, this is just not grabbing. Oh, I don't think this is enough.
Mario's never gonna let us get away with this, but I guess it's worth a try or something. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, Mario, we got the turkey.
Alright, bring it here so we can cook it. Good.
Oh, you don't need to cook it.
Oh, yeah, we'll just bring it there, yeah.
Oh, Yoshi, did you get the purple Kool-Aid and stuff?
Yeah, and I also got the blue one because it looks pretty cool.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, what the? I thought you were supposed to get turkey.
I did. It's just in there.
This was like a big turkey.
They sold out of turkeys.
Okay. Oh, I guess I'll take this to make some Kool-Aid. Is that it? Is there any more? Is there one more? Okay. Well, I guess this is... Oh, there's one. All right. So I'll take these and I'll make some Kool-Aid for everybody to enjoy. And you don't really need to cook those, so I guess you... Here.
It comes with free credit.
All right. Here. All right. I'm gonna go bring these to the chefs and they'll cook them.
All right, I guess this is the turkey we have to cook.
Ooh, this thing looks fun to play with.
Time to bring these Kool-Aids to the kitchen.
I wonder what I can do with this and this. So, is anybody setting the table with like plates and stuff? Oh yeah, Toadette is over there because she's a woman. No, you didn't. Hey, does anybody smell anything like weird or anything? No.
What is this orange nice substance? I'm gonna touch it.
Why is the curtain on fire? What? The curtain's on fire! Why is the curtain on fire? We need to scan them, right? Scan them! Why is the curtain on fire? We're all gonna die! Everybody take it out! Todd, what the frick is wrong with you? Why would you let curtains on fire, you freaking idiot? Oh, it just looked really nice!
Hey, what the mountain?
Nothing!
Three kings, attack!
Freaking idiot, we're in a combo, and that video wasn't even ready for kids, so we have to get rid of it, so we don't get $42,000! You freaking idiot! Ow. Oh, okay. I see how this. You want to go, huh? Oh, you want to go, huh? Now. Cough, cough. Who dares to hit me? You will now be destroyed for intruding my life.
Get in the blender! Alright. How the frick does this thing work? Oh, just keep grinding.
Oh, now some gummy bears before some people get me. Toad? What the heck? I am a graduate at the local military school where I learned how to be an upstanding citizen in this community. And I do not appreciate that you took the time out of your valuable day and your valuable life to ram into me when I am just trying to walk to the kitchen to get a nice glass of purple Kool-Aid. I do not appreciate it, and I sentence you to 5 years in medical school. Jesus frick. Disrespectful little. Alright, guys, enough fighting, enough fighting. That's it. Let's just go get turkey out and start eating food. You started the fight. I swear to Buddha, if you ever say that again, I will slit your throat open with an axe. Alright? Now join us at the dinner table, where we will be eating some nice, fresh turkey from the garden, fresh grown from the country of Turkey. Alright, so is everybody here for the Thanksgiving dinner? I don't want to be here right now. I hate you so much. Hey, you do not say that to a Three Kings member. Hey, what the frick? Who the heck are you? Fine, if you're a relative of Pogamus, I guess you could come in now. Come in. Alright, I guess I'll get the turkey. Yoshi, you want to come help me get the turkey? Sure, I guess so, yeah. Alright, so you said that it doesn't need to be cooked? Yeah, it doesn't need to be cooked. Alright, I'll just wait over here and you can go grab it. Alright, I'll grab it. Toad! What did you do with the thing? Oh, I feel stupid. This one, yeah, this is the one. The other one. Alright, Mario, so here is the turkey! Yoshi! What is this? This is not turkey, this is a Lunchable! Well, I couldn't find any turkeys because they were all sold out. Where did you even go? Target. Why would you go to Target? You're supposed to go to like a food store, not a freaking store like that. Give me this. Stop it! Why would you even get this thing? Get off my pitchfork! Well, I guess we're not having that turkey. Wait, what the heck? Yoshi, sorry, I thought this was the ham and cheese one. I didn't know that, this was the turkey one, so we can eat this now. Just don't get that again, alright? Fine, I won't get it again. I guess we could just open it. But we're only having the turkey. No cheese, no crackers, no nothing. You probably destroyed them all. Here, let me open it. Oh, I guess I really did destroy everything else in there. Let's check on the crackers. Okay. Just I guess the Oreos. Let's just get this turkey out of here. Ew, this looks disgusting. It's not even cooked. Well, what are we gonna do with the rest of it? Hey, you over there, eat brick! Take that, you stupid milk jogger thing! Nobody invited you to this Thanksgiving dinner, and I think that you should be executed! I'm spoiled, I think I want an iPhone 11 Pro. Give it to me right now. Stop! I'm going back to my home. What's that all about? Is this a good amount? Yeah. Then why did I buy 3 of them? Because freak it. Alright, now let's just take this to the table. Alright, everybody, who is ready for some Thanksgiving dinner? Excuse me, Mario Man. What the frick is this? I would just like to know. Well, this is our Thanksgiving dinner. So we have the turkey that we get to chop up, and we have this is the prototype turkey with the detachable head, you see. You know what I think about this turkey. Get me something else better than that. What the heck? You just ruined our Thanksgiving dinner, Pogamus Maximus! Now what are we supposed to eat? You can order a cheese orb. but we need to get somebody to clean that mess outside before all the ants come. 3 Kings, go clean up outside! I'll go clean up the mess because taking Boo Boo Bear outside would be extremely embarrassing. Where is, oh, there's a plate, oh, I see, oh, this is everywhere. Oh, alright, I finished cleaning up that stupid mess, you stupid Thanksgiving man. Alright, thank you. Now I'm gonna call the Cheese Orb Incorporated so I can get us a cheese orb to eat, because someone doesn't know how to purchase turkey. You exploded the last one! Oh yeah, that was my idea. Oh, me, give credit to me right now. Yeah, it was my idea. No, it was my idea. See, I'm raising my hand. Alright, now I'm gonna go call them on my phone. I need to find my phone right now! I don't know where it could be. Let me just... Maybe my phone is outside. Come on! Stay open! Alright, maybe my phone is outside. No, it's not outside! Oh, there's my phone over there! Alright, let me just call them right now. Alright. Swear to God, if they don't answer, I am going to sue them. Answer the phone already! Jesus, bang! Answer the phone! God!
Hello, you have reached the Cheese Orb Incorporated. My name is Adam. How may I help you?
I don't care what your name is or about your stupid life. Alright, I just want me a cheese orb, so bring it to me right now.
Oh, do you want the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate size with that, sir?
I want the cheese orb size. Give it to me right now.
Okay, sir. We'll have that sent down to you in about 2 minutes. So,
2 minutes? I can't wait 2 minutes. I could die in 2 minutes. I need it right now.
Don't mind if there's like random pictures on it. So,
random pictures? I want it right now.
We'll send it down to you, sir.
Get it here now. They better be here right now! Alright, let's steal this. Hey there, champ. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah. Well, I caught you stealing my package. Now, I'm gonna have to kill you. No, wait, you don't have to do that. Go back to China. Alright, now I'm gonna take my cheese orb inside. Let's go. Yeah, turkey! Woo! Yeah! Ow! Alright, let's unbox this turkey! Woo! Yeah, turkey! Anybody want this tin foil with Han Solo on it? I want the tin foil. Alright, yeah, you go play with that. Now let's open this box! Yeah, there's staples in it. Oh, I know how to open it. Sword! That's why, kids, get Pokemon Sword instead of getting Pokemon Shield, because it has the better apple evolution. What the heck? Why did you throw out the cheese orb? There was nothing in that box! No, I'm angry. I'm gonna kill someone. Hey, Pokemus Maximus. Yes? Can you explode the entire house for me, please? Sure. When do you want it exploded? Ooh, do it right now. Wait.